Did you know you could make homemade organic tzatziki that's better than this and way cheaper? You can. We've got organic plain Greek yogurt. We've got flavor seeds. It's Greek to me. A little bit of lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, and a cucumber. Fantastic. Super easy. Got the better half of English cucumber in here, so you could probably use the whole thing. Got some wonderful Greek yogurt here. This is a full fat Greek yogurt. Just gonna go in there. Okay, I'm out of fresh lemons, so we're just gonna have to go with some lemon juice here. And be careful, that could curdle your dairy if you're not careful. So we're gonna add a little bit more fat. We're gonna add a little bit of olive oil there. The main ingredient, it's Greek to me. It's gonna give you this wonderful flavor. I wish you could smell that. Probably, I don't know, 2 tablespoons. You really can't mess it up. You just really just have to get some in there, and probably the more the merrier. You know, don't go crazy, but here's the most important part. You want to taste it, right? Okay, so especially when you're not really measuring things too much. That's good. It's really good. I personally think it could use more. So I'm just gonna add some more in. You know, that's the beautiful thing about this is, like I said, you can't really get too much in there. A little feta cheese on top here. That is just so good. Please try it. You gotta try it.